Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to lock apps on your iPhone or iPad with Face ID or passcode. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Unfortunately, there is no settings within iPhone to do this, so for this you need an app called Shortcuts. This is a built-in app, or if you've deleted it, you can download it from the App Store. So let's open the app. Now tap on Automation, then tap on Create Personal Automation. Now scroll down and tap on App. Here, choose your app which you want to lock. You can choose one app or you can choose multiple apps. As an example, I'll choose Instagram. Then leave everything as normal. Tap on Next. On this page, tap on the bottom search bar and let's search for a timer. Tap on Start Timer. Change it from 30 minutes to 1 second. Then tap on Next. Now on this screen, make sure you remove the option to ask before running. Then tap on the prompt Do Not Ask. Then tap on Done at the top right. So as you can see, you've created an automation of when Instagram is opened, a timer starts for 1 second. Once the timer finishes, it should present you with a lock screen. So let's test it out. So once you tap on Instagram, it'll show you about 1 second of Instagram and then quickly show you the lock screen. Now from here, you need to unlock it using your face or the passcode in order to use the app. And there you go, that is how to lock any app on your iPhone, iPad using Face ID or passcode. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.